Good day. Good day. Where are we today, man? We're back in Tangalle, but we're at a beautiful place in Tangalle. It's called the Naval Campsite. Hi mate, what is this area? Is this Paravi Wella?
What?
Is this Paravi Wella?
Paravi Wella?
Yeah. What is this area called? Please?
Tangalle Paravi Beach.
Paravi
Beach.
Paravi?
This called is
I said Paravi Wella, sorry, Paravi Beach.
Paravi.
So this is all Paravi?
Yeah.
The whole area?
All
And the naval base is down here?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, my friend.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Paravi Wella. There you go. Oh, I was getting my pronunciations wrong. When you see some of the names here, it's you do. But what a beautiful place this is. Nice just to come here in the day and just chill out, man. Just gonna go and take a walk. Look at it. So, Paravi Beach area on the southeast tip of Sri Lanka. And I believe if you go that way, there's no landmass for ages. Somebody told me you get to the South Pole. Maldives must be that way. I think the Maldives is like 1,000 kilometers. What a beautiful place. Cows grazing. Nice just to come here and sit down in the afternoon, man, and feel the breeze, catch some sun. And what we're going to do, we're going to walk down this path. When I look at these rocks and the formations in the sea, I always think, wow, they've been there for millions of years, and they probably have. Isn't that what geologists do? Check the age of the rock. I must do some research on that. Down on these rocks here, so not as tricky, just looks tricky because you don't walk along the rocks. Try and get around here. It's all old coral, isn't it? That's as far as I'm going to go, because round there is Paravi Beach. There's a bit of a jungle. There we go, the southern eastern tip. Beautiful, isn't it? There's been a few storms recently, so the water's quite rough and the waves are pretty high. Beautiful morning. I think it's 9 o'clock on a Monday. Well, it's not 8:30 on a Monday morning. And these rocks are not as easy as it looks. Not with flip-flops on anyway. What a beautiful area, eh? I love it here. I'm just going to show you something at the end. It's quite significant. It's a commemoration of the tsunami, and it shows you how high the water went. So when you think of the water level, it's quite low. Hello, dog. Hello. Sri Lankan naval ships and navy base. So we'll look for the commemoration and I'll leave the video there. Look, to come across North Indian Ocean. Wow, I do love it here, and I'm sure you can see why. So we're coming up to the tsunami commemoration. It's nice though, isn't it, how they put picnic tables out for the local people, so you can come here with your family an afternoon, any afternoon, sit down, enjoy the scenery. Sri Lankan people are quite happy, even though they got the economic. And here we go. I'll leave it with this. Tsunami water level, 9:27 a.m. 26 Boxing Day 2004. So you can imagine must have been quite terrifying. It's that time in the morning when you just woke up, maybe had breakfast, it's Christmas. So doesn't bear thinking about, does it?